Dear brothers, today I'm going to take you to a very common earth moving machine which is versatile and can undertake heavy jobs. This large piece of construction equipment is really tough and durable. It is used for multiple purposes such as carrying and moving heavy load or for preparing job sites. It can be used for digging ground, but it can't dig very deep below the surface. It can be used in agriculture sector along with a gripping bucket. This is a favorite piece of equipment in places where there are no roads, but you would like to construct new roads. I mean, it is used to pile up soil in area where we intend to construct new roads. By the way, you can pair this machine with a roller for preparing the foundation. It is commonly used for transferring soil from job site to trucks, also for carrying away material from one job site to other construction site. This machine is used to transfer soil from construction sites to any landfill for some future projects. In some area, people use compact version of this machine in place of skid loaders. This is to improve visibility, reduce fuel consumption, and also to reduce normal wear and tear. When this machine is used with suitable attachment, you can lay down pipes. They are available in different sizes. Generally, we can be called as large, medium, or small sizes, or a compact type. This compact or light duty types are commonly used in agricultural sectors. This machine looks almost like a tractor, and it is widely used in recycling and waste management companies. This equipment is a close friend of people who are in scrap industries. This machine has got very large wheels, durable tires, and they are steered hydraulically. Because of this hydraulic steering, you can get better maneuverability, and it can help to take more weight on front and rear axles. We can say that this great piece of machine makes life on construction sites. You know why? Simply because of its high mobility and capability to carry heavy loads. No wonder you can convert this machine into a powerful forklift. It can also be converted as a recycling equipment. If you think about quarries and crushing plants, once the drilling and blasting is done, this machine will be carrying material to crushing plants. I know you got it. Some people call this machine as front end loader or front loaders or shovel or scoop. These names are according to their applications. Do you get what this machine is? This amazing equipment is called as wheel loader. What is really a wheel loader? Most of you know that, but let me tell you something for those who are not really familiar with it. A wheel loader consists of mainly an articulated frame. Articulated means more than one section which are connected by flexible joints. This main frame is supporting an attachment at the front end. The attachment could be a bucket, a fork, or grapple, and much more according to specific applications. This main frame is also supporting, a spacious cab or canopy, an engine with transmission at the rear. Wheel loaders are mainly used in the construction industry, but we can perform other tasks as I said before. It normally comes with a front-mounted bucket, which we call as the loader. It can lift rocks, sand, gravel, rubble, waste, scraps, and plenty of other materials. As I said before, every recycling company loves this machine because they can handle paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, or metal scraps. If you think of paper industry, we can use grapple attachments. In case of plastics, we use heavy buckets. If you think about a scrap industry, we can use normal buckets. If you have to work in small and confined areas, there are wheel loaders with compact design, which can be easily transported to the job site. In my childhood, we used to see wheel loaders in most of construction areas, and we called them as bulldozers. In fact, the nature of construction and duty of both the machines are different. In brief, I can tell you that a wheel loader is mainly for lifting and moving, loose material. A bulldozer is for pushing the material around a site for leveling or grading. A wheel loader has got wheels, whereas bulldozers have tracks. Now, let us see what we get out of a wheel loader. A large wheel loader can deliver around something around 900 horsepower. The operating weight of a large wheel loader is about, say, 145 tons. The operating weight is the total weight of the machine, including the operator and the fuel. If you take a compact loader, its operating weight is between 15 to, 30 tons. Compact loaders, if you take, it has got a bucket capacity of something around 1.5 cubic meters. In case of a medium loader, the bucket capacity ranges from 2 to 3.5 cubic meters. For large wheel loaders, the bucket capacity could be up to 7.5 or 7.6 cubic meters. The front arm of the wheel loader can be moved up and down so that we can lift or dump the bucket. As in case of a skid steer loader, the attachment can be changed by operating a hydraulic quick coupler. If you intend to purchase a wheel loader, there are many considerations to choose the right one. Basically, a wheel loader can be called as powerful when the breakout force is higher, the tipping load is higher, and dump height is higher. For those who do not follow breakout force, it is the amount of force that can be exerted at the tip of the bucket. For example, if you want to tear roots of a tree, you need higher breakout force. Tipping load was explained in my previous talk. To refresh your memory, this is the load designed at which the machine will tend to tip off. That means the rear tires will be lifted up when the bucket is fully loaded and raised up to the maximum level. The tipping load is normally double the rated lifting capacity. What does a bucket do? The job of a bucket is to maximize productivity. If you need to increase productivity, the bucket needs to be selected for the specific job. It should match to the machine and its specifications, which is very important. As we consider a bucket, people normally look for material weight, machine stability, visibility, the dump height requirements. These are very important, but they are not just sufficient to choose the right bucket. How to choose the right machine? It may be, or it may not be always easy to judge which machine is good for your project. Since there are several options of construction equipment, it is also not easy to know which machine can do your specific job. You might be a project manager or a buyer who wanted to decide the right equipment for your job. There are many instances where people get confused of a number of different loaders. There are various considerations for specifying a wheel loader for a particular application. This is an area where I can assist you better. God willing, we will be looking on them in detail on next part. And I hope that you have enjoyed this session. And I do appreciate your comments and your encouragement. And thank you for watching. This is Tajuddin Qasim signing off. Goodbye.